Wuxi Dingko Trading Company Limited was established in 2018 and is located in Wuxi City, Jiangsu Province, China, with convenient transportation and beautiful environment. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. We focus on supplying brushless DC motor, brushless DC controller, converter, battery charger, motorcycle accessories. Over the years, Wuxi Dingko Trading Company Limited has been adhering to the enterprise tenet of creating value for customers, creating opportunities for employees, and creating benefits for the society, and constantly striving to provide high-quality products and high-quality services. The 7x24 hours professional customer service team provides round-the-clock service all year round, which has won numerous favorable comments from customers. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as North America, South America, Eastern Europe, Southeast Asia, Mideast, Eastern Asia, Western Europe, and so on. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. If you have any new ideas or concepts for the products, please contact us. We are glad to work together with you and finally bring you the satisfied products.